Mila waterfall and a couple of other waterfalls, I think. We want to see the giant fig tree as well. This whole area is just so beautiful, isn't it, honey?
It is.
We're just headed through like all this sugarcane country now, and it is so gorgeous. So we just went through the windiest road. It was so beautiful. It was maybe, what, half an hour of like tight, windy road going up this mountain. And now we're in the highlands, and it's a more familiar 16 degrees here now. So we're feeling more at home. That is a cyclist. Seriously, hats off to any cyclists who make it up here. Crazy, crazy steep climb for so long. So we've just pulled up at Mila Falls, and it is really wet here. I can like hear them already. So how about that? Look at that thing back there, amazing! So this place, really something special. Mila Falls, I'd suggest to anyone. Come and check it out, but come as early as you can, because we got up at 5 AM, got here at 8 and 8:30, and there were already people. So definitely come as early as you can. Sam says, yep, we were the first ones here, but only just.
Those guys stayed overnight. That doesn't count.
I think they were finishing having breakfast. All right, we're gonna get going to the next waterfall. Welcome to Zilly Falls. I was just down there on the outcrop and I was getting told off by my wife, so I've come back up. No, not really. I actually thought I was recording and I wasn't, so I came back up and I just thought there's no point in going back down again. It's beautiful here, and I think my wife's over here. She's just found a track that looks like it goes down the bottom, so we're gonna go there. Yeah, there's vines all over the place. I think we're in the jungle now, honey. So we've just made it down the bottom. Man, that is beautiful. It's like overwhelmingly loud here. I don't even know if you can hear me. But man, it's gorgeous. Everything here is so lush. It's like the trees and the moss and there's grass everywhere and everything is alive, you know? It's really green here and I love that. We've got another waterfall to get to. Next one I think is Waterfalls, so we'll see you there. We're up to our last waterfall in this area, Waterfalls. So let's go and have a look.
There's just a very aggressive rooster over there.
Yes, yes there is. But yeah, look, Waterfalls, beautiful. It's a little bit of a walk down the way, but just gorgeous, as I'm sure you saw. Just stunning, worth a visit for sure. So, all right, we're gonna grab some lunch because we are famished, and I think it's only like, what is it now? It's like
11, like not even 11 o'clock, but we got up at 5.
It's 11 o'clock, but like it feels like lunchtime for us, so we're gonna head off and get that.
Day when you get up at 5 a.m. by the way.
Yes, it is. It's a long day. So we're ready for lunch. Cool. All right, we'll see you after.
Like, please take extreme care. Please
Yeah.
don't fall over.
Ooh.
We don't want to tumble you out.
Hey guys, so we've just stopped again after lunch, which like really was more like morning tea, which really was scones. It was
it was tea
scones.
and scones.
Yeah, tea and scones.
Hey, when you look on the menu and scones are on there, you got to go with the scones.
You know what? I actually don't regret it. They were pretty great scones. So, anyway.
Did we just eat 2 scones each?
Yes, we did. And now we have to walk it off. So,
Yes, we do.
Nandroya Falls it is.
2.2 kilometres.
It's a bit of a trek, but off we go. And we've just been warned there are lots of like stinging trees and leaves and
things that generally want to kill you.
Welcome to Australia, hey? So we're down here at Nandroya Falls and it is loud. It is really loud. So the waterfalls we were at before, I think that was actually called Silver Falls. It's like a single waterfall. But this here, Nandroya Falls, this is spectacular. That was like a warm-up show for this. This is where it's at. My God. Nandroya Falls is insane. Now we've seen a lot of waterfalls today, but I think this was the right one to finish it on. Absolutely spectacular. Welcome back. We're at our last stop for the day now.
Thank goodness, it has been a very long and tiring day.
Yeah, it has. Totally worth it though. Nandroya Falls was quite a walk. But oh my God, there it is. We've come down for the curtain fig tree, and I thought it would be a bit further in than this, but it is literally right there, and it is stunning. Wow. What the hell is this thing? So that's awesome. We learned it's a parasitic tree that actually got embedded in an original tree that fell over onto another tree, and then eventually they both died, but it was left behind. So you can see the shape of it, where it started on it started over here on a tree that fell over, and then it grew down from another tree, and now this is what's left. Absolutely crazy. I think it's time to go home and have some dinner. What do you think?
Absolutely.
Pretty ready?
Yes.
Yes. I am ready too. Okay. See you guys in the next one.